Okay, so my kids are watching Star Wars in the background, and things are crazy. But I thought I would do this, and my dogs are barking. But I thought I would do this and send it to you so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so to do Screencast-o-matic, you would just open the program, which I've already done, but I'm going to show you how to open it. You would need to go to literally Screencast-o-matic. Oh, wait, can you see that? I don't think you can see it because I think it's higher than my screen. I'll pull it down. There you go. That's what it looks like, the website, Screencast-o-matic. I'm already logged in, so it probably won't show you how to create an account. Yeah. Maybe if I go to the homepage. There you go. So you could start recording for free. And if you do it, act like you're an educator, because you are educating. Don't act like it's for a business, because they might charge you stuff. There are paid for accounts and free accounts. You want a free account. So once you're in, it'll look like this. And then you click Start Recorder. And when you click Start Recorder, I don't want to do it right now, but this little, you see, no, you probably can't see it, but there's this little box that will pop up. And then you can choose to just show your screen, in your face. If you show your face, it's going to be at the bottom corner. And it's just you talking. And then there's a record button. So you just press the red record button and it starts. It counts you down 3, 2, 1. And then you have to start talking. Your computer, most likely, if it's been built in the past 5 years, has its own microphone and own webcam. Yes, baby. Oh, I think I just got something from Amazon. Sorry. It'll have all of that stuff that you need to do this, so you shouldn't have to have anything extra in order to be able to do this Screencast-o-matic. Okay, so I'm just going to send this to you and see what you think.